In this video, I'll show you how to change your name on the RedNote app, so let's get started. First, open the RedNote app and go to your profile by tapping on the Me icon. From your profile page, tap on Edit Profile. At the top, you'll see the Name section. Tap on it to edit your name. Before you change it, keep in mind, your name must be between 2 to 24 characters. Special symbols like @ or hashtag are not allowed. You can only change your name once every 7 days. Go ahead and enter your new name, then tap Confirm, and finally tap Save Modification to apply the changes. Your updated name will now appear on your profile instantly. And that's how you change your name on the RedNote app. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.